Hi there everyone! Today I'm sharing with you a fried potato wedges recipe. This recipe is turn ordinary potatoes into delicious homemade wedges. It's simple side dish that pairs well with grilled steak, chicken or fish. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you'll find many interesting recipes. Start by washing the potato to remove rid of any dirt. There is no need to peel them. Chop up 15 ounces of potatoes into half lengthways. Heat a pan with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil or any oil of your choice. Place the potato wedges in the pan. Fry over medium heat on its side until they reach a golden color. While our potatoes are frying, chop up half medium onion, or you can use garlic. Then add chopped onion, quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. You can use any kind of spice. If you need it, add more oil. Stir well, cover with the lid, and cook over low heat about 7 to 10 minutes. During this time, stir occasionally until the potato becomes soft. Once the potato wedges are fried, they're ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.